Can we get best sell as branded item in generic? Actually, just take example of yours. Okay, suppose you are a customer, you went to Amazon's shopping page, Amazon's product page. Then after looking at that, you see below the brand name part, it shows generic. How will your impressions be? Will you think to buy that or not? While on the other part, you see a brand ad showing up, popping up, a brand name is there. So obviously, I wouldn't have gone to this thing, generic thing. Just simply get a GTN exemption, okay, or with the brand name, or simply go and file a trademark. If you're serious about this business, you should have already got the trademark. But obviously, if you're newbie, you're starting out, then obviously investing 6,000 or 11,000 if you're getting the trademark in your business name, it can be a little bit hard for you. But at least launch one or two products, then get the trademark. Because trademark is very important because also for hijackers and all, I haven't got any hijackers in my listing because I have been a brand register for like almost 2.5 years. I got one seller who tried to sell, but I just called them out because they were doing FPM, and I ordered two products from them. Then they called me back that okay, is it because we are selling it? So then I told them straight that I have got trademark. I will go and file a case against you. Please, within 2 days, remove the listing. Just tell them gently they should remove it, or you have other options.